This is my last day in the beautiful city of Lima, Peru. I will do this last event here and then have some lunch and then time to fly. I've had a fantastic time here while I stayed in Peru. I visited Arequipa, Tacna, not Acapulco, Lima, many different places. As you can see, there's a lot of these hardware shops. Hardware in particular is on the up. All the taxis are these style, motorbike style taxis. They're everywhere. Everywhere. Electric scooters, electric cars. I think electric will be here soon. Maybe another 6 months, a year, but by the looks of all the taxi operations, I think it's needed. I don't think these style taxis are particularly safe. They have a lot of beautiful seafood, a lot of beautiful vegetables, a lot of beautiful fruit, and even on the side of the street you can get some nice pineapples and mangoes and whatever you want. It's right in the heart of where all the places are for carpentry and construction. Very nice, very good location. It's almost showtime. We've got pretty girls, we've got the microphone, we've got the TV, we've done the marketing, lots of videos, Facebook Live, really effective marketing. Very pleased with. It's been a long day and just doing a taxi ride back to the apartment, collect my luggage and head to the airport. I think it's going to be a long few days, fly to New York and then a fly to Hong Kong. So this is the start of the journey. This is actually my second taxi ride. My first taxi ride took me to a random location and said, sorry, you're going to have to get another. Well, I get my suitcase, and then my third taxi ride. Well, I made it back to the apartment. The second taxi driver tried to rip me off as well. Didn't have change for 20, tell you what. So I'm in Lima Airport, just about to take off and fly to New York, and then fly to Hong Kong, and then take a ferry to Tungsan. See you later, muchachos. So I'm Paul Jolley. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel because I'm awesome. Why not? Take it easy, guys.